Daryl here with Twin Falls Volkswagen. Take a look at this beautiful 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4. This truck is a real pretty truck. Great tires and wheels, 57,000 miles, forward parking sensors. Truck's running right now. Just want to do walk around the outside, and then I'll check a look at the inside a little bit. You can see that the tires are excellent. It's got power running boards that are a little scuffed up right there on the edge. Kind of see that. Tinted windows. Looks like it's got Fox shocks. Fuel wheels, or are those fuel? I can't read what kind of wheels they are. It was upside down and backwards in my eyesight. It's got your multi-capable tailgate. This portion folds down. The whole tailgate folds down. This comes a step, whatever. Spray and bed liner in the truck. Trailer tow package, rear parking sensors. Good looking truck. I saw that it has it's got the camera system. You can see it right there, one of them. It's got a 360 camera system in it. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck. Looking here at this driver's door, power windows, power locks, power mirrors with power fold and power extendable mirrors. I shouldn't say power fold. They do go in and out though. That looks really nice. And they do power fold. Memory seats. Electronic parking brake, automatic headlights, 2 high, 4 high, 4 low, auto 4-wheel drive, fog lights, bed lights, tow modes, setups on it, leather seats, distinctive AT4 stitching. It's got the sunroof in it, all-weather mats. Let's look at the rest of the truck a little bit more in depth in here. I'll climb in. 57,131 miles. Says the remote can't be detected, but I started the truck with the remote. And what do I want to call it? I've got the remote down here in the cup holder. We've got visor vanity mirror. Yep, guy's got a face for a paper bag. We've got a HomeLink system right here. OnStar, power sunroof, controls. I thought I saw rear slider, yes. AM, FM, XM nav, touchscreen radio, auto climate control, driver and front passenger, heated and cooled seats, push button start. You see our exhaust brake, lane departure, parking sensors, tailgate release, flashers, StabiliTrak programming. This turns your plugs on, downhill control, USB-C port, power port, another power port, and trailer brakes. Wireless charge port, cup holders, and storage out the kazoo here. I tell you, it's not lacking. Everything looks good on the inside. I don't have any off-putting odors or anything like that. Does do bad. We've got automatic headlights with auto dim control, wipers, of course our cruise control, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, all that. Let's look at the back seat. Checking out the back seat. Storage there. Little wear right there, like something got caught there. Power slider, rear defroster, armrest pulls down, with cup holders. Seats are in great shape. More USB-C port, power port there. All weather mats, as we said. There's your plug for your block heater. Good looking truck. Let's look under the hood. Looking here under the hood, it's dripping water. The one that we had it washed. You can hear it run. Everything looks good. Don't see any issues anywhere. The hood liner looks good. Overall, a good looking truck. I don't think you can go wrong with this baby. Well, that concludes our walk around at this 2022 GMC Sierra 2500HD AT4 here at Twin Falls Volkswagen.